Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the strike on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands, including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new strike for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's door strike engages with the door latch to secure the dishwasher's door during the cycle, ensuring that it remains tightly sealed to prevent water from leaking. If the dishwasher door strike fails, the door may not latch closed properly. This may result in the door not opening or closing properly, or water leaking from the dishwasher during operation. Additionally, the dishwasher may not start or operate as the safety mechanism prevents the cycle from initiating when the door is not securely latched. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. The door strike is located here under the cabinet seal on the top of the dishwasher's tub. The strike is held in place by two locking tabs. Use a flathead screwdriver to press one of the tabs while pulling forward to keep the locking tab from locking back in place. Then depress the second tab and pull forward to remove. If you need to purchase a new strike, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. Align the new strike to the dishwasher's housing with the metal tab facing down. Then, press the strike into place. Now, close the door. Open and close the door a couple times to ensure that everything is working properly. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.